Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a banner slider in Shopify. So from your Shopify admin, you want to go to the left hand side and click on to online store and then themes. Once you have done that, you want to select your current theme and on the right hand side, it says customize. Click on to customize and this is going to open up your Shopify store. So as you can see, I don't have any image slider, so to add it, I will click onto this middle section here and then I click on to add section and then where it says search sections I can type slideshow and this is going to give me this image slider. I will select that and as you can see it's kind of at the bottom, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this icon on the left and I'm going to move it all the way to the top of my store. So there is my banner slider. Now if I click into it, you can see that I can select the image for my first image slide. So what I'm going to do, you can upload your own images. I will just click for explore free images here and then what I will do is select something like coffee. So I'm just going to select something random here and I will select this image right here. So that's going to be my first image slide. Like I said, you can add your own images and then click on select at the bottom right hand corner. Once you have clicked on to select, this is going to give you all the options available for this. So you can give it a heading right here. So you want to type your heading of your image slide there. You can give it a subheading. So you can insert that there. You can give it a button label. So I'm just going to write shop now. As you can see, it changes as you edit it. So then you can paste the button link. Where does it go when people click on the button? So if I wanted to go to a specific product or a collection, so you can go to all collections and then will go there. So you can see it's not grayed out anymore. So just play around with all these settings. And now to add the second image slide, you can click on the left hand side here again, click on to image slide and then you can see it says one of two at the bottom. Click on this arrow on the right hand side and now you can see it's going to take you to the second image slide. Then you just click on to that and then you can click select image and then you can repeat that process. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.